The no key detected error on your 2023 to 2025 Nissan Sentra means the car isn't recognizing your key fob, often due to a dead battery. This prevents remote unlocking and push-button start. Don't panic. We'll cover how to get back in and start your car. The most common solution is replacing the key fob battery. It usually takes a CR2032 battery, costing $5 to $10. Refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions, but generally, you'll pry open the fob, remove the old battery, and insert the new one with the correct polarity, plus facing up. Make sure the battery is correctly installed and the fob is properly closed before testing. Many 2023 to 2025 Nissan Sentra models come equipped with a hidden mechanical key blade as a backup for when the electronic key fob fails. Locate the small release button on the key fob. It's usually a subtle button that needs to be pressed to access the backup key. Press the release button firmly to slide out or reveal the mechanical key blade. Once the key blade is extended, use it to manually unlock the driver's side door by inserting it into the keyhole beneath the door handle. If your key fob doesn't include a physical key blade, you'll need to contact a Nissan dealership for reprogramming or a replacement key. Even with a dead battery, your key fob likely has a passive RFID transponder. To start the car, place the fob directly on the center console or near the start button. Press the brake pedal and then push the start button. This allows the car to read the transponder signal and start. If your 2023-2025 Nissan Sentra is equipped with Nissan Connect, use the smartphone app as a digital key alternative. Download the Nissan Connect app from your app store and pair your smartphone with your vehicle via Bluetooth. Once paired, the app can unlock and start your car wirelessly, serving as a reliable backup when your key fob battery dies. This digital key works even in extreme conditions, like during a hurricane, providing quick access when you need it most. If the battery replacement and transponder trick don't work, there may be a deeper issue. Try warming the fob, as cold temperatures can affect battery conductivity. Check for electromagnetic interference near power lines. If problems persist, the immobilizer module might need reprogramming at the dealership, costing $50 to $100. AAA or other roadside assistance can often bypass the immobilizer as well. Note that 25% of dead fob issues require professional help. The automotive industry is rapidly moving toward digital solutions for vehicle access. Nissan is leading this trend by integrating smartphone keys through the Nissan Connect platform. Currently, 70% of new Sentra models support digital keys compatible with Apple Wallet and Google Pay, allowing owners to unlock and start their vehicles using just their phones. Emerging technology includes battery-free key fobs that harvest energy from motion and ambient sources, providing a maintenance-free alternative to traditional battery-powered keys. This innovation addresses common dead battery issues and improves overall reliability. Looking ahead, physical keys are expected to become increasingly rare as app-based digital keys dominate the market by 2030. This shift toward contactless, smartphone-integrated access enhances convenience while reducing reliance on physical hardware. While digital keys offer convenience, they also present cybersecurity risks. Ensure your Nissan Connect app has two-factor authentication enabled. Keep your app and vehicle software updated to protect against potential hacking vulnerabilities. A physical key is still a worthwhile backup for now. Stay vigilant to protect your vehicle.